How to change default browser on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change default browser on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. With iOS 14 and iPad OS 14 and later, you can change which app opens when you click a website link or an email address, as long as the app supports it. Before you begin, make sure that you have iOS 14 or iPad OS 14 or later, and that you have the app properly installed on your device. Now, launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down until you find the browser app that you want to set as the new default browser. I will tap on Chrome. You will then see the option for default browser. Go ahead and tap on that and further select the Chrome option or any other browser that you want to set as the default browser, and this is how you can change default browser on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.